back panel. Keep the edges of the back covered. Insert a plastic pry tool at the bottom edge. Insert a plastic pry tool at the gently slide around the edges to release the pasting. Lift and remove the back panel carefully. Unscrew all the Phillips screws. To release the clips. Gently lift the plastic frame. Disconnect fingerprint sensor flex carefully. Disconnect battery connector. Disconnect all the flex cables. Now remove battery. Use a plastic card to loosen it. Lift battery slowly without bending. Disconnect antenna cable. Gently lift the motherboard. Carefully lift the charging board.